We've all heard the term, a picture is worth 1,000 words. What if I were to say that I have a picture made up of hundreds or even thousands of high definition photos stitched together, giving you a 2D map and 3D model of your project, your land, your farm, your facility, or your operations? And with these maps and models, you can visualize elevations, topography, and contours. You can also measure lengths, slopes, heights, areas, volumes, and perform cut-fill analysis, all within a centimeter of accuracy. You can even overlay architectural drawings to validate proper placement and elevations. You can also inspect crop health to inform irrigation and management strategies. You can compare timelines and slide the view to show changing conditions over time and calculate quantity differences. Well, you might say that's incredibly powerful, and you'd be right, because with these maps, you can visualize, inspect, annotate, validate, document, share, and coordinate with teams, growers, businesses, and stakeholders, gaining insights and efficiencies for informed decision-making, quality assurance, increased productivity, and lowered risks. We are in the midst of a digital revolution where technologies like drones are giving us extremely accurate and rich data about our physical world. They are incredibly versatile tools which can be deployed in minutes and map areas that are difficult or impossible to view or reach by other means. What I love about this work is helping people understand the capabilities of this technology and then seeing the light bulbs go off as the ideas start to flow and how it can be applied to their business or their operations. When starting Aerial Ethos, I didn't want to be someone who just captured and provided data, which of course we can do, but it was important for us to ensure our clients get the most out of this tool by not only finding optimal use cases, but interpreting and analyzing the data. The information itself is inherently intuitive because it's presented on a map, or as a 3D model with the surrounding context. But with powerful analytic tools and industry know-how, it truly does become a superpower for informed decision-making and predictive analysis. There are just so many current and untapped uses of this tool, and the idea of that has me jumping out of bed every day, excited to learn something new, help a client solve a problem, discover new workflows, or just improve our understanding of the natural world and all of the amazing systems at play. I'm excited to be your partner in mapping the future.